Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Margherita pizza like Domino's at home, updated. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature and place a pizza stone or steel inside to heat. While it warms, mix high-gluten flour with water, instant yeast, salt, and a bit of olive oil to form a tacky dough. Let the dough rest briefly, then shape thin rounds, top with simple tomato sauce and fresh mozzarella, and bake until charred and bubbly. Make dough with 0-0 or high-gluten flour, water at around 60% hydration, instant yeast, salt, and a splash of olive oil for tenderness. Mix until just combined, then auto-lyse briefly before needing to develop gluten without overworking. Rest the dough for a short fermentation to build flavor and gas pockets, then divide and pre-shape gently. Handle each piece delicately and stretch by hand to keep nice air bubbles in the crust. For sauce, crush canned tomatoes by hand and season simply with salt and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Use fresh whole milk mozzarella torn into pieces and squeeze, or pat dry to avoid soggy spots. Assemble quickly on a well-floured peel, slide onto the scorching stone or steel, and bake until the crust develops char and the cheese bubbles. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and fresh basil leaves for aroma and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.